Got you, man. This your guy, man. You know who it is, man. Mr. Y-Not 345. What's happening, man? I hope everybody have a blessed and wonderful day. Man, they are a good day for me, man. I'm out here. Matter of fact, I'm on the road traveling right now, man. I'm on my way to Jackson, Tennessee to go to a car show, Miss Lady Legs Shaking Out. If y'all ain't hit that like button, man, look, when y'all watch the video, man, boom, hit the like button first before you come in so you won't have to do it. No, hit the like. Yeah, man, I appreciate that. But like I said, on the road, man, me and a couple of my guys on the way to Jackson, Tennessee to another car show, man. You know what's going on, man. But what's going on, fam? Everybody all right? You know, y'all good? Yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. Man, on the road right now, man. I ain't doing nothing, man. You know, trying to keep grinding, trying to keep grinding. I'm growing, man. You know, it take time. It take time, but I'm growing. You know. Check this out. If y'all don't already know about my car show, September the 17th, that'll be my car club's second car show. And here go the flyer right here. Y'all can screenshot that. Y'all see it. Y'all see All American Muscle Car Club. That's my car club. Y'all see me right there. This what's up, man. Y'all need to inbox me for more information. They hit me. Drop something in my DM on my Instagram. There they go right there. Mr. Y-Not 345. Well, and they, like I said, on this road right now, you know, I got the gang behind me, trying to make sure we do our speed limit so we won't get pulled over. No crazy. Hey, let me take these glasses out right quick. Cause I see a reflection, you know, so there I go. Is that a little crazy? You know, I've been wearing glasses. Got my glasses on, looking a little crazy. But, yeah. We on this road, man, you know. Like I say, I'm growing, man. I'm still grinding, trying to get some different content besides just car content all the time. I'm gonna have to come up with something, you know what I mean? I gotta come up with something. Y'all know what it is, gang. I got my guy Ace Boogie behind me. Y'all, SRT Boogie. You know, go make sure y'all go follow his everything on social media: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Go subscribe to my guy YouTube channel, SRT Boogie. That's my guy. Y'all know I rock with him. Y'all see him with me all the time. Yeah, go rock with him, SRT Boogie. I got a white with me, Chocolate Drop back there too. I got my other partner, Trey, back there. He do YouTube. I'm gonna get his YouTube channel. I'm gonna get his YouTube channel when we get up here in Park. I forgot it. So, but I'll make sure. Oh, and I got somebody in the car with me. I got me a daddy in the car with me and everything. So let me let y'all see who in the car with me. Let me turn this around right there. There she go. Hold on, let me fix this. Y'all see what's going on. And yeah, we rolling, man. We like I said, we rolling to the car show up here. So what you gotta say to the gang?
Peace and love.
Where you been? They've been asking where you been at.
I've been around.
Since you've been around, you know.
Yep. Minding my business. Staying to myself.
She anti y'all. She anti, so you know.
Rightfully so.
She be to herself, you know. So you can't knock her for that, you know. She doing her thing. You know what I mean? So like I said, we rolling, man. We rolling. I got Bobby Cola with me. Y'all make sure y'all go on Instagram. Follow her on Instagram. And Bobby Cola. Yeah, and Bobby Cola. You can go follow her. She got her Facebook page. Tell me your Facebook page. Tell me your model
Everything
page.
is Bobby. I ain't got no model page.
Okay.
Everything is Bobby Cola. I don't be doing it on there, so.
That's what's up, man. But like I said, I'm gonna turn this camera back on, y'all, just right quick. Cause these folks talking so much. Way to do YouTube, man. Y'all know who it is, man. Mr. Y-Not 345, man. I got my guy right here in the building. check him out.
You see it.
Y'all see it, man. Y'all see what's going on. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, SRT Boogie. Y'all know what's going on. He got that Scatty.
You said what?
Shout it out, man. Come on with your million on.
Trey Banks from Banks Business, man. You know, we out here in that. The Mustang, you know, king of the pride right now. Everybody else want to be in these lane dogs.
See,
But it's all love,
that'll get you out the channel.
Out quick.
You hear me?
Subscribe there.
You know what I mean? Hey, we got my guy down here building right quick. Go and shout it out, my guy.
You know what it is, LH120, man. Like, share, subscribe, man. Instagram, LH120, man. You already know what it is.
That's what's up, man. Y'all make sure y'all go check my guys out, man. I'm finna go ahead and get a little more of this content right quick. And before we start getting all this copyright going, I'll get a little bit in right quick, you know what I mean? So we all made it to the car show. Lady Leg, Shade Night, you know what I mean? So shout out to you. Appreciate you for having me out here. It ain't got that crunk yet, y'all. Y'all like my hat, man? Y'all check the hat out, man. Check the hat out, man. Yeah, y'all see what's going on, man. Mr. White not 345. Don't play with it, man. Come on. Come on. What? But I'm gonna get a little bit of the content in for the music start playing, gang. And yeah. But I'll be bringing y'all some more too, so let me give y'all what we got right now. Let me go over here and check my guy out right here first, man. Cause that thing is glistening over here, man. Let me get this for that music start playing, man. That thing is so damn clean. What you talking about? Y'all better stop playing. You good? This you, my guy? This you? Oh man, look at this thing, man. Y'all come on. Stop playing with it, man. When I say it's clean, man. You know, everything got a little good sparkle, man. And he's sitting up high. Y'all stop playing with it. Y'all better catch up. That's what you better do. Homie, did one of yours? Did yours? Man, you better tell these folks to catch up. Stop playing, man. Man, y'all see what's going on, man. I'm gonna go around this thing, then I'm gonna come back and talk to you, my guy. Come on, talk to me. Tell me about it. Let's talk about it. This my guy. Shout it out, man.
JJ from FC.
That was so you got YouTube? I mean Instagram?
No, I ain't on
Okay.
Instagram.
Tell me about it, man. Let's walk through it, man. Let's walk through it.
It's 75 Caprice, Digital Dash, Memphis Mojo sounds all the way around. Memphis Mojo 12.
Yeah, man. Come on, y'all stop playing with it. Y'all better catch up like he said. Digital Dad. Come on, man. Well, tell me about the seat. Tell me about the inside, man. Got the speakers everywhere.
Yeah,
Memphis Mojo. Okay.
Mojo 12,
And y'all see it glossing it, man. What side the rim?
28.
28 on the shoes, man. Stop playing with him. Oh, then he just popped the trunk on him. He popped the trunk on you, man. Y'all better stop. Oh, man, he beating the trunk apart. You heard me? Man, look at that box, man. Y'all, come on. Man, it bouncing you right out the seat. You better put your seatbelt on. That's what you better do. Big 28s on the feet, man. Y'all see how it's tucking, man. Everything looking good, man. Gloss black, man. Y'all look at the black, man. I like the windows, man, because they don't got that bar right there, so you let the window down, everything that drop like the real Cali jump, man. You in Cali, so you just drop the window. Now you can throw your arm out the window, you know what I mean? You don't got no bar holding nowhere. I like that smooth look right there. What year this is? 75 Caprice, man. 75, look at the wheels, man. Let me put it on the ground right here. Come on, man. Got the Tiara grill right here. Tell me about the motor, man. Come. 454 big block.
Got a cammed out, stage 3 cam on it.
How long you had it, man?
About 3 years.
3 years? 3 years? It was so you did all the work yourself?
No, actually I bought it. It was almost halfway done. I did a little time, sit down and tune on it, get it right.
Okay. That's what's up. That's what's up, man. Man, that thing clean, man. I like that for real. That's what's up, man. Let me get another picture, man. This might be my thumbnail right here. What's up, man? Let's see what we got over here right quick. See what we got going on. Hey, man. Hey, man, y'all like the hat, man. Y'all check the hat out, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. I'm gonna get these two little cars right. I'm gonna get these things right here, you know. Then we're gonna go on back up here. Y'all know what I mean? So let's hit it, man. Old school right here, man. I like this thing. Look, stop playing. I like that, man. Look, there you go. Everything looking good up on here. You got the lights. Got the light. That's what's up, man. This thing clean. This thing clean. Hey, wait. What year this is? 63? 63? Clean, man. I like that. Oh, then you got the inside. You got the trunk did. You got the trunk did. Oh, he already got a trophy. He already said, stop playing with it. Yeah, y'all see it. 63 right here, man. I like that. Clean, my guy. Yes, sir. And y'all see what's going on right here, man. This thing is hard body. Look at the trunk. This trunk is clean, man. This trunk is absolutely clean. I like that. What year this is? What year this is? 66. You did all the work yourself? Man, I love this, man. I love it. How long you had it?
Since 1975.
Hold on. Say that one more time.
Since 1975.
Wow.
This is my high school car.
This is his high school car. Come on now.
I made it with a lady.
Hey, y'all hear? I couldn't even say it no better than what he just said. Since 1975, you did all the work yourself?
Well, me and my brother did.
Yeah. Hey, you did it.
Family project.
Family project, man. Look how clean this thing is, man. This is high school car, man. High school. And it's still clean. Hey, man, this is high school car.
Right.
Ask him how long you had the car.
How long have you had it?
Since 1975.
Oh, wow.
Look at this car, man. Look at that, man. Ooh, woo. He got that gear shit right there, man. The leather is still clean. He just bring this out on special occasions right here. Special occasions.
Weekend car.
Weekend car. All right, gang, man. I'm back up in here, man. Still getting the content down here, man. Ooh, look at that blue thing right here, man. This blue thing look good sitting over here. I like this blue, man. Check that blue thing out, man. That thing's hard. Look. Man, hard. That thing clean, too, man. Look at that blue, man. Look how that look. Look how that blue look. The inside clean. Man, I like the blue dash on there. He got the red brake calipers on there. So that's cool right there. I like that. The red play off that blue make it look good. How y'all doing? This one of y'all?
Yeah.
This you? Man, this thing clean, man. What year this is?
1955.
How long you had it?
I started building in 2010.
2010, man. You had the paint. You came up with the color?
Yeah, the Pontiac G8.
That's the color.
Yep, that Pontiac G8 blue.
Okay. I like how you put the red in there. On there. That make it play off that right there. That look good like that. So that's clean, man. You had everything original inside?
No. There's, you know what? Yeah, it's, no, I built the
Look at that.
console, everything. So,
You did?
yeah. Yeah, I built that. I can show you.
You do?
Shades by days.
Shades by days?
Yeah, shades by days.
Who this you? This your
No,
company?
this is Deja.
Okay.
Miss
This
Day.
all you? Oh, you okay? Shout yourself out then. Your Instagram, Facebook, YouTube.
My
You got
Facebook is Big Baby Daisy. No, Deja Big Baby. My Snapchat is DeJerica28. Don't know my Instagram.
you don't know your
I
Instagram.
don't know.
She's not an
What?
Instagrammer.
What's your Instagram?
I don't know.
What my Instagram?
Mine only Jada Boy. Y'all follow me on Instagram. Only Jada Boy.
Let me see.
I think.
Hold it
I
up.
think that's my Instagram. I don't use my
Add me on Snapchat and Behold Me One.
Not really. I
Thank
post
you.
something here and there. I need to start doing
That's my
networking.
Instagram.
Hey, y'all make sure y'all go check out. You want to shout something out?
Mr. Why Not?
Mr. Y9 345. This is my blue and white Charger over there.
Okay.
Yeah, y'all check me out. Follow me on
If you
YouTube
gonna
and
say
Instagram.
yourself Mr. Why Not, I'm Miss Y.
Where you from?
In Memphis.
Memphis.
Miss Y 731.
That's you? Okay. Miss Y.
Miss Y 731.
Okay. Mr. Y not me Miss Y. You heard me. I like that.
And these are my men edition. Then I have my ladies over here.
Blocker.
These are my ladies.
You said hater blocker?
Yeah, these are my hater blockers.
These are hater blockers,
These are my
y'all.
hater blockers. And then I don't never leave the kids out. I think about the kids. These are my kid shades. I have a couple business cards.
You see this your business card?
Flip it over.
Hey y'all, there go a business card right there. Y'all go check out. That's what's up. And I get this hey y'all, and this
My cash
her
out.
cash out. You know, she got that on standby right there. She ready for somebody to scan something.
Yes, I do
Let me
shipping.
get back to the car real quick, man. Oh, let me get my guy coming. Y'all see him. Woo! Look at them big boys right there, man. Come on. That thing look good, man. Ooh, look at the inside. Look at the seat. Then you got the racing seats. Man, look at the seats, man. The seats all in the back. Racing seats all the way through. Yeah, this thing hard right there, man. I like that. It's hard. Ain't hard, man. Thing hard right here. Like I seen in the back, man. That thing seems good. It's quite good in the back. I like that. This you, my guy?
Yeah, I think I'm
That thing hard, man. I like how it's sitting. I like how it's sitting in the back, man.
Yeah,
that
yeah,
thing,
yeah.
Sitting up, that thing.
everything.
Yeah, that thing is tough, man. That thing tough good, y'all. Oh, he finna play that music. That's copyright. Gotta go. Gotta go. Y'all good? Y'all want to shout something out? Cash? Oh, it for sale? Good. Everything for sale, man. You got
I sell, trade, all. I do it all.
you got a social media and anything?
Keep up on Facebook, Kevin Jameson, KeeVonJameson.
Hey, man, y'all go check them out, man. Y'all want this, man. Money talk, man. My guy. Yes, sir. Good. 355.30. Oh my damn. Man, look at this. Man, this thing is when I say this thing is hooking, man, this thing is hooking.
He the only man that don't. Okay, I know. Got that.
Good. My guy. What's happening? Yes, sir. You good? You good? Y'all see my guy pulled up on me, man. Shout it out for me, man.
Z28 Scoop.
Man, stop playing with him. Y'all know who it is, man. He finna come take everything. Y'all see it, man. He taking everything home. I like that. He stay consistent. Y'all check my guy. Y'all see him on all my videos. Come on, man. Stop playing with him. My guy ain't playing. He pulled up. Clean over here. I see you, my guy. I see you.
customers, man.
Y'all
We
see
here.
it, man.
Subscribe
Subscribe to my guy, man, right there.
So yeah, man.
King
do
Team's
the same
Custom,
thing,
man. Mr. Why Not
Mr. Why
345.
Not 345.
And y'all stop playing, man. Y'all check me out.
Tap in, man.
Yes, sir.
King Custom, Mr. Why Not 345. We connected out here, man.
Woo, this thing sitting up looking good right here, man. Come on, man. Look at that thing, man. Stop playing with it. It's sitting up looking good. You hear me? Ugh. Hey man, I'm out here trying to get the content while there ain't no music playing, man. No music playing, man. Hey man, heck, y'all go ahead and follow my guy right there on Instagram and YouTube, man. Y'all check my guy out. You see that?
Big Rucci gang,
Oh
man.
yeah, man. Stop playing
I
with
know what
it.
time it is. Rucci Super General. They know what time it is.
Stop playing, man. Beat 30 sitting right there.
It's your boy Big Boy B, King 3Bs, 1K, be the gang. This is what we do. Young Crafts LLC in the building. Man, we come to you with crafts from everything. If you need it, we can make it. You can break it down. You send me a picture, we can flip it and we can make it. You know what I'm saying? The rugs, from, you know, you have the tags, we have jewelry. We have our hats over here, our custom hats. You know I had to bring out our logo. That's my logo. I had to put it on everything I have. We have the sets, man. Pretty much anything you can think of, we can do it. Wood carving. Man, bring it to me. Shoot me at Young Crafts LLC, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, man, TikTok. Don't forget though, Reebok. That's me, Reebok King. Find me on TikTok.
Hey man, I appreciate that, man. I got you. Let me get, hold on. Hey man, heck, got a card right here. Y'all take a screenshot of that. And y'all get up with him if y'all need something. Like he say, pretty much to make anything you need. I'm gonna talk some business over with him myself because that's something I need to be getting. So I'm gonna chop it up with my guy and I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Peace. Look at that color, man. Look at the color. Man, y'all can't see this. Like, oh my God, look at this guy. Hey, this is my thumbnail right here. Hey, look. Sorry about your nigga. Hey, Legs.
Hey, Mr. Why Not 345.
My God. Shout your Instagram out. I do YouTube. So.
Oh, mine is True Believer _
Gotcha. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to our channel.
I'm Curly Sunshine 2 _
Hey, this what's up, man. Y'all go check out on Instagram, right?
Yes, Instagram.
What else you do?
Huh?
What else you do?
I'm an asset protection team leader at Walmart, so don't be able to steal it.
That way. I see you spinning. I see you spinning. I see you spinning.
You ain't spinning, you ain't winning.
Hey, I need the spillers in on it.
I know.
Spillers in on it.
Hey, when you let your dogs up, that say enough. That say enough. You got the TF. Alright, guys, while there ain't no music playing right quick, man, we out here, man. Me and my guy, Boogie, y'all see my guy over there, man. We still out here getting it in. Down in Jackson, we in Jackson, Tennessee with it. So, yeah, we out here kicking it, man. Chilling. Y'all good? What's up? Terminator. So, like I said, man, we out here getting it in, man. You know, car show, trying to see what's gonna go on. So, other than that, we chilling, man. Dang, my rug, that done came on. They right back. They right back waiting on my guy. He done turned them out. I gotta come back, gang.
He just texted us.
Yeah, he over there. He coming over.
Yeah, he had talked to him over there.
Look at, yeah. He finna do a video.
Yeah, we in a video.
You got the good camera, man. I need a picture. You got the good goddamn camera.
So is it too late to become a member? I mean, my RT already down there. I go see them motherfucker right now.
What's up, man? You good?
Yes, sir.
You got Instagram?
Yeah, I do.
What's your Instagram,
My
man?
Instagram, Fo Drew, F-O-E Drew.
That's what's up, man. That's my thing right there. Mr. Why Not. Follow me on YouTube and Instagram.
Which one? You said who?
Mr. Why Not 345. That white and blue jump. This is my guy right here, Ace Boogie.
That thing clean, man.
SRT. Come on, man. Where you going?
Why not?
Mr. Why Not 345. Yeah.
So why not? And what's yours?
SRT Boogie.
That what's up, man. You see
Turn
something?
them up for sure.
Man, we trying to turn it up. We turning it up. Y'all ready to turn up? Turn up.
I'm not crazy, bitch, I'm psycho.
There you go. Y'all see it, man. Got some baddies in the building.
She said she's sick of me. Buy her, pull up, do me. Watch the bitch.
That way, y'all see it.
Come this way right here. Come right here.
My guy, you been good, man? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. That's what's up. I see you pulled in clean, man. Oh, yeah, man. Come on. Come on, man. She's sitting back there.
Somebody tagged me in a night stalker. I ran through the room, bro. Like, man,
I got you. Here's your record. Here's your record. Shout it out, man.
And follow me at _Sub057 on IG and TikTok.
That's what's up, man. Shout it out.
Black Tide 345 on Instagram.
That's what's up, man. Y'all go check my guys out, man. I'm finna go check their cars out.
You see it, SRT Boogie.
Y'all
Got my
see it.
homie Mr. Why Not 345.
Don't play with it, man. Y'all go check me out, man. Check my guy out too, man. No, shout yours out.
Oh, I don't even need to be on there yet.
You got Instagram?
Not on there yet.
It don't matter. You getting a video right now. This your video. This your video.
Look me up on YouTube, A1D-AYE1DEE.
That's what's up. This your video. This your video. This your video. I'm gonna be looking for you, man. I'm gonna go follow you, man. I'm gonna check you out. This your video right here. There ain't no reason. Just post it. Somebody wanna see it, man. Man, y'all go check me out, man. Mr. Why Not 345, man. YouTube, Instagram, man. It don't cost you a thing, man. It's free. Holla at you guy.
Y'all see him over there.
That's what's up. Shout to hit my guy up right here.
They can do a photo shoot, say you want to be in it. It's your boy SRT Boogie, man. Subscribe to all platforms, man. That's what I got. Half and half. Bipolar car down there. Bipolar, y'all. Check it out. You say you want to be in a video shoot?
A video shoot?
What's on YouTube?
Yeah. We gotta look at that. We got you, man. We got you. They finna do it now? Let me see what he's talking about.
Say you ain't gotta be in it if you don't want to. I know.
What it do, man? What it do? What it do?
Why not, man? You know your boy Trey is we finna shoot a music video live and in person.
That's
man.
what's up. Who you got right here with you, man? Who you got with you?
Man, we got my stepmama here, Sherry Banks, man, the one and only. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I see it looking out so good. That was so. Who we got right here?
I'm her mom.
Oh, hey, mama. Hey.
It pops over there right here.
Look, okay, but right now I'm talking, hey, mama look good over here. See, stop playing.
Appreciate that.
Yes, ma'am. I'm finna go get these cars real quick, man. Y'all finna shoot it.
My John focus on the music video. He said,
They finna do it now? She gonna have to come to our show then. She finna, what she do?
she's a hip hop artist. That's you right there. I got you.
Okay. Let's go see what we got, man. See what y'all working with. Ooh, I gotta go out this way. I see thickness. Walking. Keep on trucking, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, I got you, man. Yeah, man, you clean, man. That thing clean, man. All you folks. Cuz, man, you clean. You hear me?
Put my car on that YouTube, man.
You know I did. Yes, sir. Yes, I did. You got you, man. Mr. White Knot 345. It's gonna be on there. Y'all check me out on YouTube. Mr. White Knot 345. I got you. I got you a couple cars. Man, you stay on here. But I'm gonna get you again though. You up here somewhere. Yeah, you over there. There you go. Man, y'all see that thing sitting up looking good right there, man. Stop playing with it. On the 345, man. Yeah, and this you?
I call it just Sub-Zero for a reason. Yeah, you see it right there. Go ahead and check the inside of my game. It ain't best as yours. It's just something slight. I'm still working on it right now.
Ooh, I see it, man. Y'all see that thing, man. Stop playing. I like this, man. I like this. I like this, man. Y'all see it right there. Y'all see it. Sub-Zero. Okay.
Yeah, it just something slight. I'll give you a few rails. I'll give you a few rails on the camera.
What you do to it?
I ain't got no YouTube. I got
Nah, what you do to this?
just a million muffler delete.
That's all?
Yeah, just simple. Simple million muffler.
Then you got another wide body scattered, right? You got that wide body right there. That green look good. I like that. See, they took, look, she over there. She's what's up? You want to shout something out? Hey, she hot. She must want to shout something out. What's your Instagram?
What's my Instagram? It's Blasian, BLASIAN_ no Asian.
That's what's up.
That's my Instagram name.
I got you. Check me out, Mr. White Knot 345, YouTube and Instagram.
I'll follow you on there and YouTube channel.
Got it. Appreciate that. I like this thing, man. And she stepped out with her toes out. She got a white top paint on her toe. But I like that thing though right there. I'll get back up with y'all later, man, in a minute when something else go on. I'll let you in a minute. Peace.